Wow.
Show him the roll.
Can I ask you a serious... Oh!
Come here.
Where- Okay,
come
I
here.
mean, you run in an extraordinary way. You use your arms and you use your little feet. I want to ask you something. I spoke to Mr. Chris Weidman earlier about you, and he says that he finds the champion of the world in the UFC told me that he finds you an inspiration. How do you think about that?
It's how like
Feels good,
it
right?
feels good and it feels nice and it feels a lot better and stuff. And it makes me happy with no legs. And I can still swim and I can wrestle and I could lifeboard and I could do everything.
What are you going to do when you grow up?
I'm going to be a lifeguard and a coach and a teacher. And I'm going to have 2 kids.
Brilliant.
Kids.
I'm filming you here.
And 2 dogs.
2 dogs.
2 dogs.
You can't keep still, can you?
Why
You got
have
loads
so
of
much
energy.
Why you have so much energy?
Because I can't let you on a boat. Hawaii! Like hypnotic.
He can dance, right? Can you dance? You want to show him how to dance? Come here. Get over here. Watch. Isaiah, come here. Isaiah. Show him how you dance. You want to show him the Puerto Rican face palm?
Show me how you dance. Okay, let's see it then.
Oh, yeah. Isaiah's very good in Irish step dance, by the way.
Isaiah King, yeah?
Isaiah Bird.
Isaiah Bird.
Isaiah Bird is very good.
Isaiah Bird. Isaiah Bird, you're 6 years old.
Isaiah Bird.
Isaiah Bird.
Oh, it's Isaiah Kirkland Bird.
Isaiah Kirkland Bird, 6 years old.
No S. Yeah, he's saying it right.
6 years old. If you can sit still for a minute,
Come here.
I just want to say it's an absolute pleasure to meet you. Thank you very much. You take care of yourself.
What do you say?
Thank you.
Cheers, bro. Thank you.
very much.
I'd like to